2026 is the year trades and home services business either adopt AI or start losing work to competitors who did. Right now, there are plumbers, electricians, and home services businesses in your city who never miss a lead. They follow up in 30 seconds, they post on social media every week, and they're running leaner than you. They've got AI doing the work. Today I'm going to show you the free tool I built that gives you the same advantage, starting today. Hi, I'm Russell from Amplify Automation. We help trades and home services businesses use AI to save time and win more work. This is AIOS, the AI operating system. It's a free tool that turns Claude's Anthropic AI assistant into a business partner that actually knows your business. Not generic answers, not random chatbot rubbish. Real help tailored to you. By the end of this video, you'll see how to set it up in 90 seconds. I'll demo 4 things we'll use every single day. Let me paint a quick picture. Say you're Mike, a 12-year plumber. Brilliant at the job, customers love him. But last Tuesday, a hot water lead came through his website. Easy $2,500 job. Mike saw it while he was under a house, thought, I'll get to that tonight, and forgot. That lead went to a competitor who responded in 5 minutes. Mike also wants to hire an apprentice, but he doesn't know the Fair Work minimum wage, what goes into the contract, or how to avoid getting fined, so he keeps putting it off. The businesses winning right now aren't bigger and better. They're faster and organized. AI is what makes that possible. So what is AIOS? It's a folder you download to your computer. Inside are instructions that turn Claude into your personal business partner. You run it through Claude desktop app using a feature called Cowork. Think of it as a workspace where Claude can remember things about your business and help you get real work done. First time you open it, AIOS walks you through 9 quick questions. Your trade, your location, your team size, your biggest challenges. From that point on, it knows your business. Every session picks up right where you left off. So what can it do? Draft lead follow-ups, write social posts, guide you through hiring, track your goals, give you a daily briefing of where your business is at every morning. It's completely free. Download, set up, use it. No subscription, no credit card. So let me show you. All right, let's do this live. Setting up AIOS as Mike the Plumber. So step 1 is to download the zip file. Go here and click. I'll give the exact link in the description below. Step 2, unzip it. So here's the AIOS main folder. So next step, open the Claude desktop app and click on the Cowork tab, just there. Okay, connect Claude to the folder you just downloaded. Next, type hello and hit enter. So you can see here, it's loading up the folder that you've just connected it to with different instructions. It's going to run you through an onboarding session. The AIOS system will start to introduce itself and will ask you a set of questions. Okay, you can see here it says, welcome to AIOS, your business assistant here to help you run your business smarter, whether you're getting to the top of admin, winning more jobs, or just freeing up your time. Okay, so what's your business name? So we'll type something in down here. We're just going to call it Mike's Plumbing. Okay, so let's just go through, it's about 9 questions, and we'll just set your profile up. I'm just going to go with plumbing here. So you're based in Brisbane, Australia. And let's just say he's a sole trader. Okay, so what are your top 1 or 2 goals for the next 3 months? This really helps give Claude more context about what you're trying to achieve in your business. So 1 or 2 goals, giving us some ideas here. So more jobs and leads. And your work's getting pretty busy, so Mike's thinking about hiring someone. Right, so it comes back with another question. What's your biggest headache right now? Where do you lose the most time or money? So I'm going to say admin paperwork, and we'll just say finding new work. You can also put in your own answers here as well. Claude is just suggesting some answers based on what it knows about you now. Okay, so now it's asking what tools or software you currently use. So I'm just going to say, maybe spreadsheets, and Outlook. So it's just asking here now, do you have a personal social media, have a website? I have a basic website. Facebook, so we have a Facebook page that I rarely use. Okay, so do you have any employees or contractors, any HR challenges you're dealing with? So say, as a plumber, sometimes you do need to work with contractors if you're a sole trader. So we'll just say have contractors right now. Okay, so the onboarding's all finished. And here's kind of a summary of what it has about you. Your business name is Mike Plumbing. You're a solo plumber based in Brisbane. You sell contractors when needed. You mostly use spreadsheets and Outlook. Your goals: get more leads coming in, hire your first employee in the next 3 months. Your biggest challenges: admin and paperwork. The important thing to note here is that it's interactive. If Claude got misinterpreted or has got wrong information about you, you can make adjustments. So for instance here, I want to say, I don't want to hire my first employee for the next 6 months. Okay, so Claude has taken that into account and has updated the plan that hiring is slower than usual and you want 6 months out to get your first employee. You can see different information here it has about you, so it has details about your business. It's pretty basic to start off with, but it will grow with you over time as you add more detail into this. You'll start to understand more and more about you. So that's some details there. But then also you've got your pain points, admin and paperwork, finding new work, more jobs and leads, hire your first employee 6 months out. I'm not rushing this, okay? So it's taking into account that change that you made. So it's very interactive. So look at that. AIOS has built a full profile of Mike's business. Next time he opens it and types hello, it remembers everything. No setup again, just straight to work. Okay, so it's the next morning and Mike opens AIOS and types hello. You can see that he gets his daily briefing, active goals, tasks due, leads to follow up. Every morning he knows exactly what needs his attention. That alone is a game changer. Now let me show you 4 things Mike would actually use this for. So Mike has a new lead that's coming from his website. So you can see here, AIOS is going to save John's details and draft some follow-up messages. So let's draft up an SMS and an email. It says if you want to add extra details, so you can type in more information here. I was going to say just what I said. AIOS drafts a professional email and SMS ready to copy and send. The email is warm, mentions the job, asks what time suits for a quote. The SMS is short and punchy. Mike copies and pastes and sends. That lead is handled in under 2 minutes. So Mike's asking to write a Facebook post about one of the latest bathroom renovations. So we'll share a few more details about the bathroom reno. I'll keep it simple for now, but a full gut and rebuild. Do a photo. Yes, I'll add one. What vibe do you want for the post? Casual and chatty, professional, proud, before, after, wow factor. Let's go proud and professional. You can see there, full post, hook, description, and call to action. Done in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen. Okay, so now Mike wants to hire that new employee or an apprentice to bring into his business. So you can use AIOS to help him in that scenario as well. So let's paste this in. I need to hire an apprentice. What do I need to know? This is the big one. AIOS walks Mike through an apprenticeship framework in Queensland. Fair work obligations, minimum wage rates, contract requirements, how to structure a trial period, and how to write the job ad. This used to cost a few $100s from a HR consultant. Mike gets it for free, tailored to his state and trade. You can see here that the response from Claude is quite detailed, giving Mike lots of information to be able to move confidently forward to hiring an apprentice. What's really good as well, Claude always offers suggestions for next steps. So you got here to draft a job ad, create interview questions, build a simple onboarding checklist, set up a training tracker spreadsheet. Gives you the next steps to finish the task. So it's a new day. Mike wants to update the monthly goals for his business. But just before I jump into that, you can see it's learning more about Mike's business. So we've talked about hiring their first employees, so you've got hiring prep, HRM award rates and fair work guidance. So you're starting to learn more and more about Mike. But today, let's set a new goal for hitting 10K in revenue this month. AIOS creates the goal and tracks it. From now on, it shows up in Mike's daily briefing. Simple accountability, no extra app needed. The businesses that move to AI in 2026 will have a real lasting advantage of those who don't. The window is open right now. In 12 months, it won't be a differentiator. It'll be the baseline. The download link is in the description below. It's free, no sign up, no subscription. If this was useful, please subscribe. I'm releasing new features for AIOS regularly and you won't want to miss them. This can be easily adapted to any business, so drop your trade in the comments below. I want to know what businesses you'll set this up for. At Amplify Automation, we help trade businesses use AI to save time and win more work. Come find me in the AI workshop community, link in the description but also below. Your competitors are moving. Download AIOS and move faster.